All right, so someone did request a few days ago that I look at Cardano and Polygon. So we're gonna do this both in one video. Um, so we're gonna look at Matic and we're gonna look at Cardano in the same video very quickly, right? So I'm gonna look quickly at these and see if they look bullish to me or not, and that's pretty much gonna be what we do. So I'm just looking at the daily time frame. I'm gonna get both of these, and we'll work our way down onto the smaller time frames. But on the daily time frame, you definitely have something that looks like that, which, depending on how you draw it, is basically either a symmetrical triangle. I would say that's a symmetrical triangle, breaks to the upside or downside 50% of the time. But overall, that's kind of what you've got on the daily time frame. So to me, that doesn't look super bullish. I can get the measure move. The measure move, if it were to break to the upside, would be $1.70, and if it were to break to the downside, would be down to 20 cents. I think it's more like you probably break to the upside with that measure move, but take everything with a grain of salt. Daily chart looks like it wants to boom to the upside, so that's another reason maybe you do hit $1.70 soon. The 4-hour chart is overbought though, and the 1-hour chart, it was overbought and coming down. The 4-hour chart, let's see if you made a previous high or broke a previous high when you overbought. You did not. The previous high back here was 86 cents, and you only got to 83, 82, or 83 cents this time, so that's bearish. So short term, you did not break previous high. It does look like, as of ever since the 21st of September, the trend has been up, which is a good sign. But overall, I'm not super bullish on this until you see a break and make a higher high above 86 cents. A break above that, to me, would confirm that this is going to be a continued uptrend. But until you break 86 cents again, I don't think this is bullish. So let's go over and look at Cardano. This is a coin I'm actually already investing in, or I should say dollar cost averaging into, because I do like it for the bull run. Because I don't think bull run's going to happen anytime soon. But okay. So I also have on this chart, what we definitely have is a falling wedge. So to me, already, Cardano looks better than Matic. Cardano is in a falling wedge. Measure move to the upside that I drew a while ago was 70 cents, nearly 68 cents. Daily chart is ready to boom on the RSI. I like that. And the 4-hour chart is in a downtrend. I don't like that. And the 1-hour chart, same thing. So again, kind of similar to what we just looked at Matic. 4-hour chart and 1-hour chart are not in a good spot to long, but daily chart looks ready to go. And the daily chart looks more bullish to me than Matic did. But I don't also, like I said, you got overbought here and definitely made a lower high on the 4-hour chart just a few hours ago. So to me, the daily chart's the only time frame that's really bullish. I think when the 4-hour chart and 1-hour chart reset though, in probably a day or so, when that happens, then I do think this might be a good thing to long. But that's all I got on that. Measure move, if it does break to the upside, is 70 cents. It breaks to the upside 68% of the time. So we'll see if that happens. Because it's on the daily time frame, I think this will take another week or two to play out minimum. Because you still have, technically, you could probably go all the way down to nearly Christmas time before this booms. So I take that back. It could be another month before this booms. But if it does, it would have a nice move to 70 cents, which would be a double in a bear market for such a huge asset like Cardano, one of the top 10 assets, to double in a bear market. That's pretty good, which might tell you that maybe we're getting ready to be done with this bear market come the end of the year. So with that being said, guys, that's all I got. If you guys enjoyed this video, appreciate it if you hit that red button so it turns white. That's what we want it to do. And then also hit that like button. I'll see you guys in the next video. By the way, I will be live in 2.5 hours, so hopefully I'll see you guys there.